10 o'clock. Do you know where your kids are and who they're with?
This is an emergency action notice for all viewers within the United States. At the request of the Office of the President of the United States, in cooperation with the S.C.P Foundation, a shelter-in-place order has been issued, effective immediately until further notice. At approximately 10 o'clock p.m., an unforeseen meteorological event of unknown origins took place above our planet. It is estimated approximately 5.8 billion people have expired as of the activation of this message.
At this time, the S.C.P Foundation advises all residents to barricade themselves within their homes or workplaces, taking extra precautions to stay away from any visible light emitted from the sun and moon, 390 to 700 nanometers from each source. If you need to travel outdoors for any reason, layer yourself with several layers of clothing, covering all exposed areas of your body. Households, office buildings, and any man-made structure will provide the most protection. Avoid open fields, uncovered roadways, and wooded areas at all costs. Keep all entrances and windows to your shelter blocked and secured.
Do not look out your window.
If you have pets, family, children outside currently as of this activation, consider them lost. Do not investigate any sounds or movements outside of your shelter. Ignore any request made to enter your shelter. Ignore any request for you to exit your shelter. No one is left alive outside to make the noises you hear.
No matter how lifelike they may appear to be, euthanization is not to be attempted under any circumstances. Persons exposed to the light are to be abandoned. Do not allow exposed persons to enter your shelter. Self-termination is ineffective.
Alert. Signal interference detected. Signal interference detected.
God damn it. Computer, has anyone heard from the O5 Council?
Negative, Administrator. The O5 Council is still offline.
Fuck. Are any other sites reporting in?
Several sites are reporting ongoing evacuation protocols. Site 19 is temporarily serving as an evac point per their site director.
Temporarily, my ass. Send a message to Dr. Moose and advise her that her site is now the primary evacuation point for all personnel.
Copy that, sir.
Also, prepare the following message for Foundation-wide broadcast.
Ready when you are, sir.
To those of you with families or, God forbid, children, I'm deeply, deeply sorry. You must push on. Do not let their deaths be in vain. We do still have time.
Humanity may still have a future. Come to Site 19. We need all the hands we can get. Learn to embrace the darkness. Friends, fear the light. Not to be attempted.
Viewers are to get over themselves and stop thinking they know better. The effects are instantaneous, resulting in release from all suffering.
001 is the designation given
To the sun.
Making contact with instances results in bioorganic tissue combining together and finally being one. There's nothing to fear out here. Nothing is wrong. Now you lie here, the life in you gone. In the dark outside of her rays, crimson skies bear the torch, our sun. Today, my love, we'll be as one. Everything is
This message will repeat.